The latest batch of Android OS numbers popped up on the Android developers' website. So, how are the desserts stacking up? Well, here are the important ones. Gingerbread still holds the lion's share of the Android ecosystem on 60.6% of the devices. Ice Cream Sandwich has climbed to nearly 16%, and the current Jelly Bean flagship has 0.8% of the market. The Next Web says that's pretty solid growth for Ice Cream Sandwich and the rest of Android's leading edge. Not only is Google seeing early success with its rollout despite some teething problems with its first commercial upgrade in Australia, but Android owners have responded positively in the new 4.1 flavor too. But the Register says Ice Cream Sandwich isn't doing as well as it sounds. It's still a minority of the Android OS distribution, and the picture doesn't improve when you consider its age. We could be kind and point out that this represents a 46% bump from July's numbers, when ICS only held 10.9% of the market. But that seems charitable when you consider that Google released ICS nearly a year ago. And Pocket Now points out Google doesn't break down its distribution by specific handset model, so the data isn't as specific as it could be. It would be interesting to know just what fraction of that gain is due to the majority of new Androids now arriving with Android 4.0 already installed, and how many of those new users can be explained by phones getting their ICS updates. But Kevin Toffel at GigaOM says growth is a safe bet. Through the rest of this year, I'd expect Android 4.0 to ramp up quickly, perhaps accounting for 40% or more of all Android devices. Jelly Bean, or Android 4.1, will surely take more time because of the software integration efforts needed by handset makers and the testing and tweaking made by carriers. But the Nexus 7 tablet could provide a good start for Google's current flagship OS. They've been selling well. Google ran out of stock of a couple of models last month. I'm Jim Flink for Newsy. Multiple sources, the real story.